What's up guys, Earl here of Tech, and Motorola unveiled its latest smartphone under the Moto G series, the Moto G50 5G. It sports a 6.5-inch display with a 90Hz refresh rate, triple rear cameras, a 5000 mAh battery, and powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G chipset. We finally got our hands on it, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, opening up the lid, we are greeted with the phone right away. Then we have here the manuals, SIM ejector tool, then you'll also get a free jelly case, earphones, USB-C cable, and the charging brick. Now, checking out its design, one of the things you'll notice about the Moto G50 5G is its size. It's a pretty tall device, chunky, and quite hefty, which is understandable given the large screen and big battery. As expected, the body is made out of a plastic material with a glossy back panel, but it feels sturdy and has a water-repellent design, meaning it can handle accidental spills, splashes, or some light rain. It also feels good in the hands as the frame has flat sides. It looks nice too with its meteorite gray color that produces a bluish glow and light effects depending on the angle. The Moto G50 5G is also available in green colorway. Flipping to the front, the 6.5-inch Max Vision screen features an HD Plus resolution or equals to 269 ppi. It's not exactly high-res, but it's enough for most tasks including watching videos or playing games. The pixels are noticeable only if you really look up close. Its bezels are noticeable as well, especially the thick chin. Then there's also a notch at the top of the selfie camera. Despite the low resolution and thick bezels, the screen is vibrant with decent viewing angles. It also has 90Hz refresh rate for some smooth visuals. For buttons and ports, found on the right is the dedicated button for Google Assistant, the volume rockers, and the power/wake button that also doubles as a fingerprint scanner. The buttons are made out of a plastic material but tactile, firm, and quiet. The buttons are easily reachable, but the Smart Assistant button can be quite a reach. Placed on the left side is a card tray for 2 nano-size SIM cards with a micro SD card in a hybrid setup. Up top, we have the secondary microphone, while at the bottom is the 3.5mm audio jack, main microphone, USB-C port, and loudspeaker. Now, looking at the cameras, the rear module is consisting of a 48-megapixel main, 2-megapixel macro, and 2-megapixel depth. For selfies, we have a 13-megapixel shooter. More on that in our full review, but here are some quick sample shots that we got. Under the hood, powering the Moto G50 5G is a MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G, Mali G57MC2 GPU, 4GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage, Android 11, and 5000 mAh battery with 15W fast charging. Now for its price, locally, the Moto G50 5G is priced at 10,495 pesos and looks like a nice offering for those looking for a budget-friendly smartphone with a great daily driver capabilities. So that's it for now. What can you say about the Moto G50? Do let us know in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Rel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.